Good day, everybody. This is Dr. Nandi. I'm back again today. We are going to talk about a GRE Quant prep problem solved in arithmetic, solved all for you. Before I get started, I want to mention that my channel contains all kinds of solved problem in math, including GRE Quant prep. So please subscribe to my channel so that you get access to these solved problems, which will help you in your preparation. Okay, without further ado, I'll get started. So the problem is they want you to find out the value of the expression in parentheses or in brackets square root of 5 minus square root of 3 square. Okay, that means you're multiplying square root of 5 minus square root of 3 with itself. Okay, so and they've given us 5 options for the answer. So square root of 5 minus square root of 3 in parentheses or in bracket square is equal to in parentheses square root of 5 minus square root of 3 close parenthesis, and then again open parenthesis square root of 5 minus square root of 3 close parenthesis. So basically we are going to use the FOIL technique. FOIL is a first term, outside term, inside term, and last term. So by first term I means if you take the square root of 5, that is the first term in the first uh, parenthesis, okay, the first term in the inside the first parenthesis square root of 5, and you will multiply with that or distribute it to square root of 5 in the second parenthesis. So it becomes square root of 5 times square root of 5. Next, you will take that first term square root of 5 in the first parenthesis and distribute it to minus square root of 3 in the second parenthesis. So the whole thing becomes minus square root of 5 times square root of 3. Next, FOIL. So we did the first term, we did the outside term. So that was the second term where we distributed square root of 5 to minus square root of 3. It becomes minus square root of 5 times square root of 3. Now the inside term, by inside term I mean take the square root of 3 and distribute it, minus square root of 3 in the first parenthesis and distribute it to square root of 5. So it becomes minus square root of 3 times square root of 5. And then remember it's FOIL, L is the last term. So you take minus square root of 3, which is the last term in the first parenthesis, and distribute it or multiply it with minus square root of 3 in the second parenthesis. So you know two minuses, two negative signs make it positive. So this is plus square root of 3 times square root of 3. So you have the first term, square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 25, minus you have 2 of these square root of 5 times square root of 3, first one and the second one. So it becomes minus, both are minus, so you basically add them. So minus 2 square root of 5 times square root of 3 plus square root of 9. Now square root of 25 is 5 minus 2 square root of 5 times square root of 3 square root of 15 plus square root of 9 is 3. So we have two terms without any square root, which is 5 plus 3 is 8. And then we have the term with the square root is 8 minus 2 square root of 15. So the correct answer is option C. So I will stop here today. If you have any question, please write me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I'm coming back next time with another solved problem in GRE Quant Prep in geometry for you. So I'll see you next time. Take care. Have a nice day. Thanks.